Next question going to be, what is that? Area and perimeter of the circle are equal, then find the radius of the circle. So given area is equal to perimeter, given area of the circle is equal to perimeter, that is area of the circle is pi r square, perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, pi will be cancelled. So 2r is equal to r square, 2 is equal to r square by r and r square will be cancelled, the radius value is 2. So when the perimeter and the radius of the circle is equal, the radius will be what? 2. So sometimes they will ask one more question, find the ratio of circumference to the diameter of the circle. So circumference is what? Find the ratio of circumference to the diameter of the circle, 2 pi r. So radius is what? 2 times r. So that will become 2r and 2 and r will be cancelled. Pi, simple pi by 1 is pi, that is 22 by 7. So you will get that one as 22:7. This is about the, just I framed this question, ratio of circumference to the diameter, how we are going to find. So next one, almost the first exercise is over. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Next one is going to be area of the sector and also segments. So area of sector, first how we are going to find, and area of the segment also how we are going to find. So before that let me conclude otherwise. First, what is sector and what is segment? So there is a much difference between, so there are two types of the figures I can explain you now. Two types of the figure I can explain you first. So first, if you draw any chord that will divide the circle into two parts. So any chord divides the circle into two parts. So these two called as the segment of the circle. So this is called segment, one segment. This is called other segment. So if it is A, B, C, D, something like this, if any 2 points, so you can represent as A, B, C, D cap, something like this. So you know about this one in the 9th standard only, we might have studied about this. So here the portion which is less than the semicircle, less than the area of the semicircle, half of the circle is called as the minor segment, and the which is greater than the semicircle area is called as the major segment. Easily we can estimate by looking at the figure also we can tell. But sector means, so if you take the center, if you draw any two radii and this portion is called one sector and this portion is called other sector. So how we can give? So here in case of the segment, area of the portion enclosed by, once again I am telling, area in case of segment, area of the portion enclosed by a chord and the corresponding arc is called as the segment. The area of the portion enclosed by a chord and the corresponding arc. So in case of the sector, area of the portion enclosed by any two radii and the corresponding arc is called as the minor sector, and the remaining portion is called as the major sector. So the area of the portion enclosed by any two radii and the arc is called as the sector. So where is, this is minor sector, this is major sector, then how we can classify it as a minor sector and major sector? So we know that the angle made by the arc with at the center here, that means, so is called as central angle. If the central angle is lesser than 180, that sector is to be taken as the minor sector. If the central angle is greater than 180, that angle is to be taken as the major sector. Once again I am telling you, so if the central angle is less than 180, that angle is to be taken as the minor sector. If the central angle is greater than 180, that angle is to be taken as the major sector. So this is about the sector and segment of the circle. So now we can find area of the segment also, and we can find area of the sectors also. So first let me explain how we are going to first find the area of the sector. So to find the area of the sector, 10 seconds, I can adjust the notebook meanwhile. Okay. So area of the sector, area of sector. So area of the sector means what? So let us go for, what happened to this? Area of the sector I am going to calculate. So let us see how can I find. So let us take a circle, any circle, So if I want to calculate the sector, some O, A, B, or some B, C, something like this. So if you want to calculate this area of this minor sector, so if the central angle is some x degrees. So in general, if the center angle is 360 degrees, so if the radius of this, let us take the radius of the circle is R. So here I am writing, let us take a circle with radius R and central angle x degrees. So let us take a circle with the radius R and the central angle x degrees. So here area of the circle is equal to, so area of the circle is equal to what, here total area I am calculating first, pi r square. See, this total area means when it is 360 degrees, area will be, when 360 degrees, area is pi r square. Area is pi r square. When x degrees, so what is the area is my question. Let us take, so when x degrees, area is some capital A. So when x degrees, area is some capital A. So cross multiply both of them. So 360 into A is equal to x degrees into pi r square. X degrees into pi r square. So A is equal to x degrees by 360 into pi r square. So multiply term comes and divide. So this is the way how we are going to find this sector. So once if you know this sector, we can find this sector also by two ways. Again, we can take this angle and by replacing this principle we can find. Otherwise, the total area of the circle minus this area will give the area of this sector also. So next one is going to, once again I am telling, when this x degrees, if it is less than 180, minor sector. When it is greater than 180, that is major sector. So let us make one example over this better. Find the area of the circle sector whose central angle is some 60 degrees and the radius is 7. Radius is 7. So how can I find? Central angle is 60 degrees I am telling. Central angle is better take. So what is the area of the sector? Area of sector is equal to x by 360 degrees into pi r square. X is what here? 60 by 360 into pi r square. R square is what? 7 into 7. So 61 the 66 the. You will get this one as 60 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7. 7 7 will be cancelled. So 6 into 22 into 7. So 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12, that will be 132. So 132 into 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21 plus 1, 22, 7 1 the 7, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 924. Once again, this is, if it is centimeters, radius is centimeters, it will be centimeter square. If the radius is meters, it will be meter square. Once again, 22 the 32, 7 to the 14, 7 3 the 21 plus 2, 22, 7 1 the 7, 7 plus 2, 924 centimeter square is the areas of the sector. If you want to calculate this sector also, we can find. How we can find? So two ways. So the total angle is what? 360, and this angle will become 300. So instead of here we can replace 300. Otherwise, so it's a little bit lengthy. Total area of the circle is what? Pi r square. So by using pi r square, we have to calculate the total area. From that, we have to eliminate this value. What is that? 924. So that we are going to get this major sector. So this is minor only. Why it is minor? So since central angle is less than 180, that is the reason it is to be taken as a minor sector. So this is all about the sector. So next, let us go for how we are going to find the area of the segment. Once again, I am telling what is the definition of the segment. Portion enclosed by chord and the corresponding arc is called as a segment. So here I am writing sector and segment definition. So try to make them. Sector means area of region means area only, or area of portion you take. area of portion closed by or enclosed by any two radii and the corresponding arc is called as the sector. So, and after that write one note also. If the central angle is less than 180, minor sector. If the central angle is greater than 180, major sector. This is all about the sector concept.